Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this sunset lamp filter on Instagram. So this is a filter. Okay, you have different templates here to choose from. Okay, and here you can adjust your jaw size. Okay, this is the effect. To get this effect on Instagram, visit the creator profile. Janep is the creator of this effect. Check in our effect gallery. She is having awesome filter. Okay, she's having lots of filters, so check carefully. Okay, this is the effect, sunset lamp. Tap on it. You will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can tap on try to try the filter. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Okay, and likewise also you can get this effect on Instagram. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.